Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel Spotify Premium. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Spotify, then click on your profile icon on the top left, then select Settings and Privacy. Once you're on here, at the top click on Account, and then you should see Billing near the bottom, so just tap on that. Once you're on here, it should say Payment Help, and then click on Subscription on that. Then once you're on here, it should give you the information about your subscription, and it should say Cancel Subscription at the bottom. So you just want to click on that. Then you can obviously give a reason why you're cancelling if you want to do so. Then select Continue. And then it'll just let you know when your subscription will be cancelled, what date that will be on, and also what you will lose, such as ad-free music, download and listen offline, play songs in any order. So if you're happy with all that, just select Cancel Subscription, and that's how you can cancel Spotify Premium. Thanks for watching.